Stop worrying about what everybody thinks. Stop letting everybody out-talk your dreams. That's your dream. Go for it. You believe in it. You see it. You can achieve it. Stop letting everybody talk you out your dreams. Stop telling people who don't think like you your dreams. Stop telling people who don't live like you your dreams. You have to stop that, because there are going to be the ones who don't believe they can do it. So they're going to put that negative mind state on you. You have to think bigger. You have to think better. Put your pride down. Change your ways. Stop blocking your blessings. I had to change my ways and the people around me, the way I think, so I can prosper. No negative energy will prosper. You got to fix your credit. You got to get out there and start a small business. You got to stop letting people change the way you think and the way you move. Change your surroundings. Change the people you're talking to. Change those friends. Change those Xbox people you're playing games with. Turn the games off. Turn love and hip hop off. Turn the music off. Today, you need to restructure everything. You need to think, how can you elevate yourself today? How can you make more money? What are you good at? What are you special at? What can you bring to the table that can help you and the people around you make more money? A lot of people are afraid of entrepreneurship because they don't have no way of funding. They have no way of credit rebuilding. They have no way to start the business, but they got great ideas. Step up, learn more, read more. Step by step, you can do better if you try to do better. Put your pride aside and allow yourself to elevate. Today, when you listen to this, I hope this helps somebody who was doubting themselves, who didn't believe in themselves. And I hope after you listen to this, you believe in yourself and you make that one extra step forward today to help yourself move forward. Pick yourself up, believe in yourself. If you see it, you can touch it. If you dream it, you can have it. And if you work for it, it will be successful. Stop letting people block your blessings. Stop letting negative energies come around you, and stop what you're trying to bring to the table. If you're positive, stay moving positive. Don't let nobody else bring you down. Don't let nobody else's problems bring you down. We got to stop living everybody else's problems and start living our own. A lot of people will be more successful when they understand and sit here and listen to this today. You will be more successful if you just take 30 seconds of this episode and apply it to your life. You might help yourself and those around you. And if you're listening today, I want you to go harder, work smarter, change the people around you. Stop doubting yourself. Let yourself change. Allow yourself to heal from the past, the negative energies. Allow yourself to grow. Credit Repair Motivation.